guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Amanda if you're new, and for today's video I am super excited to share with you guys kind of a DIY athleisure Walmart haul. Basically I went to Walmart and I found all the cute comfy things that might be a little oversized or not totally the look that I want. And so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create that athleisure kind of more spendy, like bougie look, and I'm really excited about this video. If you guys have not yet subscribed, it would mean the absolute world to me if you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you do not miss a single upload. But yeah, let's just jump on into this video. I'm going to show you guys kind of step by step how I DIY these things, and I'm going to show you guys the complete outfit. And yeah, this is kind of different from what I normally do, so I'm really excited about it. If you love it, please let me know down below what your favorite outfit was, and let me know if you liked the video. Alright, so for this, I absolutely love this bralette. Unfortunately, you can only get it in the stores, but it is so cute, stretchy. I got this in a size large, and I believe the price was around $4 or maybe $5. But you guys can kind of see the texture on this. It's so nice. It is padded. It's just such a cute, like, wardrobe staple. Kind of show you guys this piece. If you are going to the store, you can pick it up. Highly recommend. It's one of my favorite pieces. Alright, so for this first top, I do apologize ahead of time if you do hear the landscapers outside. They come on Tuesdays. Today's a Tuesday. So with that being said, this first top I actually found from the men's section. I absolutely love it. I think it is so cute. I'm wearing that little cropped bralette that I showed you guys a second ago, so you guys can kind of see through it a little bit. It's that perfect like nude color, and I loved this like pocket detail. So for this, I'm gonna make this like a cropped tee. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of look to see kind of where I want it, and I feel like I kind of want it like right here. So I went ahead and made my little scissor cut, and then I'm going to take it to the ground and start cutting it. Alright, so now I have this super cute cropped tee that kind of fits perfect. You can tuck it in and make it cuter. I love this that this was from the men's section. I did get this in a size small. I think it's absolutely perfect. It would also be super cute with a bomber jacket. And some white sneakers. Okay, for this one, I absolutely love this color of boxy tee. I feel like it's super like Kardashian, and I'm just like obsessed with it. So basically for this one, I wanted to find the boxiest tee that I could find. And they have this really cute like boxy tee. I think they're called the boxy tee boyfriend jeans in the, I think that's the juniors line, or maybe it's Time and True. I think it's Time and True. And they have so many different colors, but they had this perfect color, so I'm super excited to make this one crop. Okay, so for this one, I think that I want the fit to kind of come like right, probably like right to here. How flowy and oversized it is. I think I got this one in a, I think it was just a large. Yeah, I got it in a size large, which actually fits, it actually fits a 12 to a 14. So I absolutely love this. I think it's so cute. And then I just paired it with some white tennies. These are actually designer dupes that I got from H&M like a while ago. They're the most comfortable sneaker I have ever worn. They're so cute, and I can link them down below for you guys if you'd like to pick some up. Mine are a little dirty, sorry. And I'll also link a couple of my other favorite designer dupe sneakers as well. But to top this outfit off, I'm actually gonna add one of Walmart's men's flannels. I absolutely love the men's flannels. I think they're just so cute, and then it just really adds to the outfit. I loved it, this like maroon one a little bit more, and this is in a size, I believe, large or extra large, but so cute and comfy. And in the men's section, I actually picked up a few just like staple pieces. These are the Fruit of the Loom shorts, and I got them a little bit baggier. You guys will see why here in a sec. They're so comfortable. They were only, let's focus, $5. Such a steal. So I got black. I got light gray, and they all have pockets, which is like a super score. And then I got this like really cool dark gray color, okay? Okay, so for these ones, I actually got them in a large, and they're kind of a bit bulky. I love that they have the pockets, and that's kind of mainly why I picked them up. And I love the string. One thing that I was like, I need to have these. Okay, so for these, I am gonna make them shorter. Obviously, I don't want them to be too long. I want them to be more feminine and girly. So I'm just gonna take this, and I kind of want them, I think I want them to be like right here. Okay, so kind of short the pocket underneath might show a little bit, but I think that that would be actually pretty cute. And then for this, I think I want this one to come about here. And then I'm also gonna do something really cute to the top of this, and I have a couple other colors in the top as well. So I'm gonna do like a little triangle cut right here. And then I'm gonna cut the other side once it's on the ground so that it's even. Final look. I kind of just made this look more like a bodysuit. Super cute. And then I just made these shorts extremely short and more like lounge around the houseable. And then I'm just gonna add a little cardigan over the top, just to kind of make it more cozy and more like my style. This next one is just super plain, the same boy shorts with the pockets as the last ones. I'm gonna try not to cut these as shorts so that I could probably wear them in public because the last ones had a lot of booty. But for this, just an oversized men's Henley waffled knit tee. And it's very oversized. I think I got this in a medium or a small for men's. And then these are the same size, large for the shorts for the guys. So let's transform this one. I think I want this to kind of come about here. Where's my scissors go? With these black denim shorts instead from Walmart, just because the black shorts did not come out anywhere near what I was expecting. So I thought this would just be a way cuter outfit anyways, but absolutely love this. And honestly, I would probably pair this with one of my husband's flannels that he gets from Walmart. So like during the summer when it gets chilly, I love just to wear all my husband's things. And I think it's just so cute and such a simple like staple piece. And then also I love how flannels look tied around the waist. So cute. And then I'd also probably pair this outfit with some white chunky tennis shoes just to kind of finish it off. So darling. And then next I got the most comfortable Hanes sweatpants. You can get these at Walmart, you can get them on Amazon, you can get them online anywhere. They're just super comfortable and super affordable. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make these into shorts because it is summertime and we really need sweatpants right now. So okay, so I cut them at the angle and then I just tried them on. And I kind of want, so my whole entire goal was to have the back longer than the front. So now I'm gonna kind of come over this way and kind of make the front of them a little bit shorter. look for these shorts. They're a little bit longer in the back, kind of exactly how I wanted them, and then I'm gonna top them off with my favorite jean jacket that I also DIY'd from Walmart. And this is one of my absolute favorite looks. I think it's so cute. I love how oversized this is. And I actually just cut off the end part on this jacket and then distressed it a little bit. So comfortable, so cute. And then it's also really cute to kind of wear it like off the shoulder like that too. And then to finish off the look, I would just top it with these chunky tennies. This is the last one I have to show you. This one's just awkwardly like too long. Not a fan of it, so I'm gonna keep everything else the same. I'm just gonna make this more cropped and so that it will kind of fit more like against my body versus being all like extra spacey down here. But I absolutely love this color. It totally screams Kardashian to me. I feel like this is that like warmer nude color that they're always wearing. So I love that Walmart has this color in a tee, and I just absolutely love it. And I'm gonna add my favorite Amazon cardigan on the top. Totally tops it off. And then I have been topping everything off with the same sneakers, so I'm going to continue with those. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I really hope that it's something that kind of opens your eyes and kind of makes you feel creative yourself. If you do want to purchase any of the things down below, I have a link to the things. Obviously, since I DIY'd them, you'd have to DIY them yourself as well, but I honestly had so much fun filming this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you have not yet subscribed, it would mean the absolute world if you did. And yeah, guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.